going to show you the 5 easy steps to install Sink2Flush. But first I want to show you what's in the kit that you receive. The biggest piece in the kit is the tank itself. Along with the kit there is a drain assembly, a strainer, a 90-degree angle for our hose. And we have 2 pieces that goes inside the toilet tank. Just a holder and the leveler sensor that will sense the water level in the toilet. In order to install the kit, you just need a couple of tools. You need a drill, a 3/4 drill bit, a measuring tape, and a bucket. That's all you need. Let's get started. Step number 1. Now we're going to take out the U-trap and also take out the drain stopper. I need my bucket to catch the water that is in the U-trap. We now have the U-trap off, and I'm now going to take out the drain stopper. I just have to unscrew the rod that goes into the drain and slowly pull it out until the drain stopper comes loose. Once it's loose, I assemble the rod again nice and tight so we don't get a leak. Step number 2, we're going to drill a hole in the vanity to get the tube from the reservoir into the toilet. You're going to need the measuring tape, the drill, and the drill bit. And what we want to do is to measure so we can drill a hole right above the bottom of the vanity and as close to the wall as possible. Step number 3, we're going to put the reservoir underneath the sink and assemble the pieces and pull the hose and the wire for the level control through the hole that we just drilled. I have now put in the drain assembly into the reservoir and also to the drain pipe coming from the sink. We're now going to put the U-trap. Originally the U-trap was located this way. We're going to turn it around so it fits with the new drain assembly. The first thing I'm going to do is to connect it to the outlet from the wall. I'm just going to put it loosely on so we can get an idea where it is. Then I'm just going to turn my new drain assembly to match up with the U-trap and attach it loosely. Once I have it all in, Once I have it all in a good position, I'm just going to tighten all around so it's nice and snug. And that's step number 3. Step number 4, we put the components inside the toilet tank. The first thing we're going to do is take the 90-degree angle tube and put it into our tube to make sure that we get the water from the reservoir into the toilet tank. It's bars, I'm just going to work it on as far as I can. And then we're going to let it hang over the side of the toilet. And once we put the toilet lid on, it'll secure it. The second piece we're going to do is to attach the electrical wire to the sensor. And first we need to assemble the sensor in the holder. So I'm going to unscrew the nut. And we want to see that when there's water in the toilet tank, that it breaks the circuit. So we want to install it this way. And we want to make sure that it's installed underneath the water level in the toilet tank so it shuts off when the toilet tank is full. Just going to put it here for starters. Tighten it a little bit. And I'm going to put it in a tank, see where we are. And that's actually pretty good. So you can see it's well underneath the water level, which means it'll turn off once the tank is full. I'm now just going to assemble the electrical wires, and you can do, doesn't matter, you can do either wire to either one. This is just low voltage, it's 12 volts, so there we go. And we're just going to hide the wires behind the tank. And that's step number 4. This is step number 5 and the last step in installing your Sink2Flush. The first thing we want to do is to hook up the pump to an electric outlet. I don't have an outlet underneath the vanity, so I'm going to use the one here right next to the sink. I'm going to plug that in. And I've already done a small notch in the side of beside the door here to tease the wire out. Just going to put that in, close the door. Now I'm going to wash my hands since our work is done. So we're now starting already to put some gray water in our tank. Just wipe my hands here. And now you're ready to see the work in action. So let's see if it works. Let's flush our toilet and we should start to see some blue water coming out. We have a chlorine tablet in the reservoir already. Congratulations, you have now successfully installed your Sink2Flush. You'll now be able to save water, save a little money, and also help the environment. So I wish you all the best of luck with Sink2Flush, and if you have any issues or questions, please let us know. Thank you.